Okay, episode 2. Baboomba. Hello, my name is MTNT and welcome back to another episode of Saw. Okay, so the first episode was actually really fun. I played Saw for the first time last episode. I'm finding it quite fun. We saved Amanda, who is the bitch from like the first 3 Saw films. You just know she's going to turn on us at some point. She is helping in this game. This is probably big spoilers, but I've watched the films. If you haven't watched the films, I don't know why you're watching someone else play the game. That's on you. I know for a fact that at some point in this playthrough, she will betray us and put us in some sort of game. It's gonna happen. I know it is. Right, let's go. Straight away.
Eyes open, ears open.
Alrighty. No, nothing in here. Is she just gonna follow us? Oh, it's not creepy or anything. Oh. Poor fella. I do like how much consistency there is between the game and the films. They are very similar. I think that's... Ooh. Yeah, that's probably not a room I want to go into, to be honest. Yeah, I don't want to go in there. Nothing found. Okay, let's just... Can I go straight through the door? No, still needs to pick up the tape first. Alright.
Detective, your obsession with me has destroyed your own life and driven you here like a rat escaping the heat of the sun. I think you know someone down here. Your old friend from the force, Jennings Foster. You might want to ask him what really happened in that hit-and-run case you two worked on. That is, if he is alive. By the time you find him, can you forgive one who has forsaken justice to protect himself? I suggest you hurry, Detective.
Oh. So has Amanda stopped following me at this point? Okay, well, I'm gonna leave her wherever she is. Okay, so now we're helping someone called Jennings Foster. I don't remember that. Okay, is this a shotgun door? No, okay. I don't remember anyone from the Saw franchise called Jennings Foster. Case file? A mop handle. Yeah, I don't really want that, thanks. Okay, I need to be wary of glass on the floor because I kept the...
Do you think the man you killed cried for help the same way as he lay dying in the street?
How did you know about that? I never told anyone.
You covered it up, but like anything buried, it just rotted away inside you, didn't it? Pushing away everyone you love, everything you care about.
Fuck you. Help! Help!
Shit, okay. Oh, where did she come from? Oh, okay, nothing found, nothing in the lockers. So he killed someone and covered it up.
Everything's in place now. Good luck, Detective.
Okay. I guess Tap doesn't figure out that she's working with Jigsaw just yet. It might do later on down the line. Oh. Damn, that's a shotgun collar. Now, in the films, Amanda did make that. It was in Saw 3. Damn. Nothing. Do I need... I need a key. Yeah, okay.
The key, like your life, lies in the bottom of
What am I trying to find? Oh, my poor arm. Is this the key for this? Or is... Or can I use it for this one? No, I need a different key for that. Okay. Okay, I did see someone walk through here. Am I about to engage in a bit of combat again? Even walking can be dangerous in Jigsaw's world. Watch the ground for shotgun tripwires and disable them before they go off. You can also rearm these against enemies. Oh, there's one right here. Okay, I need to be extra careful then. Okay, so I'm guessing I'm going to the boiler room. See the janitor about to die. Steam. Wait.
The way forward will be your first challenge in reaching your friend. The steam from these pipes will kill you. Find a way to redirect it, or your life and everyone else's here will be forfeit.
So I need a valve. Oh, okay. I didn't realise this would open. Is this all I need to do? I just need to find a valve. What is it whenever I'm trying to make progress? This pig just shows up out of nowhere. Do I have on the shotgun collar? No! Oh, okay. Well, that is a nasty contraption.
No, not this. Get this off me.
Bit dramatic, mate.
This will make things more interesting. Play by the rules and you will survive.
Okay. Oh. What we got? Hidden message straight away. Ooh. Darkness illuminates. Okay. So is it telling me I like got to turn off the lights or something? Oh. Ugh. Nice. Lovely. Just a hint. Why don't you try taking some of the syringes out of that toilet? Oh, right, gotcha. No, don't got you. I've still got no idea where I am. Something tells me I want whatever's in that red box. Your shotgun collar reacts to specific enemies with shotgun collars. When you get near one of the enemies, the lights on the back of the collar will blink. The closer the enemy, faster blinking. Okay.
I need out, cop.
No!
Give me the key and we can stop this. All I want is out. Out of this place.
Get away from me! Get away from me!
Let me take it. Give me the key now.
Oh my god, blow him up!
Just give up already.
Oh! Okay, he just got messed up. The wheel is nearby. Am I still after this? Okay. Oi! I just flat out killed this person. I sort of need to see this. I'm gonna watch it. Nice.
Get me out of here.
Did I have time to save him? Oh, okay. Well, now I've got a table lamp for. Oh, there's the wheel.
Every lock.
This is the guy they told us about. Shut up! You hear someone?
How am I meant to take out two people when I can barely take out one? Wait. Can I arm that trap? Can I arm that trap? Where was it? Was it here? I shouldn't. I shouldn't be laughing at that. Come on, come at me, bro. Here he comes. Here he comes. I'm so easily entertained. I think this is the way I've got to go. Oh, this is the red box. Oh, I need gears to unlock that. Okay. Oh, I just found a gear. All right. What?
6.5 hours later.
Ah! I got it. Nice. Really? That's all that was? I have genuinely been sat here for 6 minutes and that's what it gave me.
I need out.
Oh no! No!
All I want is out. Out of this place. Give me the key now.
Run! 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 That was nerve-wracking and I'm lost. Okay, well, that's... If I go in here, it's going to lock me in. Oh, what the hell? I knew it. Yeah, I did it anyway. Okay, I got a coupler. I got a feeling that's what I needed. Ah! Oh, thank God for that. Ah, okay, so I'm back here. Alright, alright. I don't know how I'm back here, but I am. Somehow. Back in the same place, except this time I've got a shotgun collar on, so that's nice.
You can now redirect the steam, but take care. Actions that allow you to pass may also allow others to escape their cages.
Okay.
Your first test is to redirect the steam in these pipes and slow down effective tap. You must do this while avoiding the steam itself, which will kill you. But the game is heating up, so hurry, or your
Oh.
game will be over.
Can I go in here? No, okay. Not sure what my objective here, but I'll look around anyway. Squeezing through the pipes. Is there going to be something messed up in there? Oh. Jeez. Okay, thought that was going to steam me up for a minute. Tripwire, another health hypo. Nice. Ow! Ah! Let me hit him! Let me hit him! It never lets me hit them back! Why? It's so delayed when you actually hit the... when you click the hit button to them actually hitting you. It's bad. So every time I undo one of these wheels, I want that pipe. I feel like that's better than a crutch. What's in here? Another health hypo. Good, because I keep losing those. Every time I open up one of these pipes, there's just going to be someone down there, isn't there? Because I've unlocked their cages. Bolted from the other side. Oh, we have another wheel. I don't know if I want to touch that, bro. Oh, it's a maze. I see. Okay, do I have to follow the arrows? I'll not have to follow the arrows? Is there anyone else in this maze with me? That's only just slowly dawned upon my brain. Ooh. I want that. That looks like a good weapon. I thought I was slowly getting the hang of these, but apparently not. Nice. Okay, we got there in the end. I got a nail bat. I am proper negging it up right now. Oh, there's more mazes? Oh, this one's timed. Okay. Stop. I was going to go right into that. I need to wait for that to go. Okay, just go. Oh, I thought that was going to catch me out. Okay. I do like... Oh. You have made it into the heart of the boiler. Oh. What? That's the first time I've died! I see what I've got to do. I thought I had to use that to distract him, I can't lie. Oh no, it was a tripwire! Oh, I thought he set off my collar. Have I got to make him run into the tripwires? Oh, that worked. Just want to move very slowly. I don't think this one's armed. I'm over here. This one armed? This one's armed. Come on. There's another one. Okay. I got it. Nice strategy game. Come on. No, I don't have a key. Okay, I think one more should do it. Right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I ruined your life, but now it's time you die. Oh, I don't have any more tripwires. Okay. Just hit him then, I guess. Oh. I apologise. Okay, he had a valve and another gear. How do I turn this off? Oh, I needed that. Oh no! I don't like that. I'm meant to connect those two. Oh, okay. That took me a lot longer than what it should have, to be perfectly honest. Furnace gate key.
Listen quickly. The pressure from these pipes is...
Okay, so basically I need to leave and fast. Ah, no! No! Oh! Alright, let's try going through here again. Come on, please, just go off. Okay, there it is. Go through. Okay, go, 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 go. Ah! I can't remember how to get through this maze. Oh, turns out I can. This way, move. Oh. I can't remember the layout. This way. Oh. Did I do it or am I dead? Did I die? Oh, I did it.
Looks like you were quick enough to save yourself, but think Thinking about yourself is what you excel at, isn't it?
Oh, that is where I'm going to leave this episode. My heart's actually racing from there. I don't think I can take any more. I know it's just a video game, but this really gets me going. I don't know why. I love this game. It's so fun. I'm definitely going to be doing the entire game on this channel. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and comment for more videos. Until next time, peace out guys. Peace.